I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by labeling every node and immediately pick a reference node so you have a fixed baseline. You should write each branch gain next to its edge and express controlled gains symbolically. This prevents algebra errors later. Once done, trace and mark every forward path from input to output and separately list individual loops. Make sure to separate touching loops from non-touching ones because that distinction determines how you form the determinant. Now compute the product of gains along each forward path. That gives you the numerator components. Then, for the denominator, list every loop and calculate each loop gain. You need those to build the system determinant. Next, systematically find non-touching loops, pairs, triples, etc., because they're combined products alternate signs in the determinant. As you combine these, keep consistent signs and double-check that loops labeled as non-touching. Finally, assemble Mason's gain. Build delta starting with 1, subtract all single loop gains, add products of non-touching loop pairs, subtract triples, and continue. For each forward path, compute delta by omitting loops that touch that path, because those interactions change contribution. Multiply each path product pk by its delta, sum them, and divide by delta to get the overall transfer function. If results seem off, recheck loop touching classification and algebraic sign, errors as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.